Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nashifa Akila binti Awam Makassar. Today I will present about introduction and company overview part. For the introduction, imagine that buying the same product but every time the quality feels different. In today's highly competitive global market, that is exactly what companies must avoid. Quality consistency is critical because once quality fails, companies doesn't just lose the sale, but they lost the trust and market share. And in the food and beverage industry, trust is everything. That's why total quality management or TQM is so important. TQM is not only about detecting defect, but about building quality to every process from raw material to the final product. Through customer focus, continuous improvement, and employee involvement, TQM drives the long-term business success. It uses practical tools like process mapping, root cause analysis, control chart, and the PDCA cycle to prevent the problem before they happen. When TQM is applied effectively, organizations can reduce waste, improve efficiency, and deliver consistent quality, which directly lead to happier customer. For a global company like Nestle, with a complex international supply chain, TQM is not the choice. For the next part, company overview. Nestle is not just a food company, it's a global giant. Founded in 1866 by Henry Nestle in Switzerland, Nestle has become the world's largest food and beverage company. Today, it operates with 270,000 employees over 340 factories that present in more than 180 countries. Its motto, Good Food, Good Life, that reflects its promise to deliver safe, nutritious, and high-quality products to consumer worldwide. Nestle's portfolio is extremely diverse, from Nescafe and Milo to Kit Kat, Maggi, and Cerelac. But this diversity also creates major challenges. Different raw material, different production process, and different regulation across the country that make quality consistency difficult to maintain. That is where total quality management becomes Nestle backbone. TKM support the process standardization, teamwork, and continuous improvement that ensuring that the product made in one country delivers the same quality as one made in another. In short, TQM enables Nestle to scale globally without compromising quality. I think that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rashikin. For this slide, I will explain the problem identification. Nestle operates on a large scale with many factories in different locations. Because of this, it is challenging to maintain consistent product quality across all production sites. During the manufacturing and packaging process, issues such as underfill, product temperature variation, and process inconsistency may occur. This problem can lead to defect, rework, and material. In addition, factors such as supplier inconsistency, transportation condition, and storage issue can affect product quality. If these problems are not managed properly, they may reduce customer satisfaction and affect Nestle brand reputation. Therefore, Nestle needs a more systematic and data-driven quality management approach to improve consistency, reduce defect, and ensure product quality.
The challenge of product non-uniformity across thousands of global sites. Nestle utilizes the Six Sigma DMAIC framework. This methodology allows the company to move from general quality concerns to a data-driven standard of near perfection. In the define phase, Nestle turns broad issues into measurable projects. For example, the company targets specific defects like underfill packaging, setting a goal to reduce them from 1.8% to 0.01% globally. Moving to measure, Nestle establishes a factual baseline. By using process mapping and tracking defect data, the company can pinpoint exactly where waste and machine downtime occur across its complex supply chain. Next, in the analyze phase, Nestle identifies the root cause. The company applies statistical tools and fishbone diagrams to pinpoint why non-uniformity occurs. This allows Nestle to determine if a quality issue, such as a change in product texture, is caused by fluctuating raw material compositions from suppliers or by improper machine settings in specific blends. In the improve phase, Nestle implements targeted solutions. This includes rolling out lightweight packaging to reduce material waste, conducting stricter supplier audits, and refining manufacturing steps. These pilot programs verify that changes actually fix the root cause while maintaining the food safety and quality standards customers expect. Finally, the control phase locks in these gens. By implementing global standard operating procedures and statistical process control systems, Nestle monitors production in real time.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Rais bin Abdul Latif alias Usli. Next, I will explain the fishbone diagram used in this study. The fishbone diagram, also known as the cause and effect diagram, is used to identify the causes of defecting packaging at Nestle. The causes are categorized using the 6M framework, which is include man, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. For man, insufficient training, human error, and operator fatigue may reduce packaging accuracy. For machine, poor maintenance and calibration issues can result in inconsistent sealing quality. In terms of method, unclear standard operating procedures and weak quality control checkpoints may lead to process variations. Under material, low quality or inconsistent packaging materials can cause leakage or tearing. For measurement, inaccurate inspection tools and limited monitoring may delay defect detection. Finally, environment factors such as high humidity and poor lighting can affect packaging integrity and inspection accuracy. Overall, the fishbone diagram shows that defective packaging at Nestle is caused by multiple interrelated factors rather than a single issue.
This slide shows the failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, for the food production process. FMEA is used to identify potential failures and prioritize risks using the risk priority number, or RPN. The highest risk is the raw material intake stage, where contaminated raw materials can cause food safety issue and product recall with an RPN of 180. The production process faces risk from incorrect processing temperature, which may lead to spoilage and quality non-compliance, with an RPN of 160. During packaging, the leakage can cause contamination and customer dissatisfaction, with an RPN of 140. Finally, labeling error may result in safety and legal issues, with an RPN of 108. Overall, the FMEA helps identify which process stages need priority improvement and stronger controls.
Hi, I'm Fatih Karia binti Azman. I will be presenting our group's improvement plan and solution for Nestle. The main goal is to reduce process inconsistency and product defects by applying 3 TQM tools. First, Six Sigma or DMAIC, fishbone diagram, and FMEA. Using the DMIC framework, Nestle defined the issue of product variation and target to reduce defect from 1.8% to 0.5%. In the measure and analysis phase, data is collected and analyzed using the fishbone diagram to find causes such as machine errors, consistency raw materials, and lack of standard procedure. In the improved phase, Nestle applies automated calibration, suppliers audits, and operator training, while the control phase maintains progress through audits and performance monitoring. From the FMEA result, the highest risks were contaminated raw materials and incorrect processing temperature. Nestle addressed this by strengthening suppliers check, installing temperature controls, and improving packaging and labeling system. Overall, the plan is expected to cut waste by 30%, boost efficiency by 20%, and enhance customer satisfaction. Continuous improvement will be maintained through the PDCA cycle and lean practices. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Yushen, and now I will present about the part expected outcome, which is what we expect to achieve by implementing these total quality management tools at Nestle. First is defect reduction. By using Six Sigma DMA IC and standardized SOPs, we aim to lower the defect rate from 1.8% to 0.5% within the first 6 months. This directly addresses the packaging fill level and sealing issues we identified earlier. Second is waste reduction. Through root cause fix and the switch to lightweight packaging films, we anticipate cutting scrap and rework by up to 30%. This not only reduces costs but also aligns with Nestle's sustainability goals. Third is efficiency gain. By introducing automated calibration and real-time SPC dashboard, we project an overall production efficiency increase of approximately 20%. This allows us to produce more with the same resources by minimizing downtime. Fourth is risk and compliance. We are strengthening food safety through better supplier certifications and barcode verification. This drastically reduces the risk of recalls and ensures we remain compliant with international safety standards. Finally, is customer satisfaction. By adopting a culture of continuous improvement using PDCA and lean methods, we ensure consistent quality across markets. This leads to faster response time to complaints and stronger long-term brand loyalty. That's all for my part.
Hi, my name is Zarit Zalab binti Sufekri, and I will present the conclusion Nestle global supply chain and faces critical challenges such as process inconsistency and product variation. TQM tools help shift quality management for reactive problem service to proactive prevention. The DMAIC methods provide a clear roadmap with measurable defect, target, and performance baseline. The fishbone diagram categorizes complex root causes into manageable areas such as man, machine, and material. FMEA help prioritize high-risk pressure, including contaminant raw materials and incorrect processing temperature. The adoption of the QM principles align with Nestle philosophy, which is good food, good life, by improving efficiency and protective brand reputation. Finally, continuous improvement ensure Nestle remain competitive, compliant, and consistently deliver high-quality product worldwide. That's all. Thank you.